Apart from that, the school also, through its initiative, it has started what we call Isaac Newton community-based initiatives. So this community-based organization that has started by school is aiming at improving the environment, preserving the environment, because people used to use it to, they normally use 90% of the people around use charcoal and firewood when cooking. So they cut down the trees at a very high rate. Say the population is growing very high. So there's a lot of environmental destruction in the area. So what we have done, we are using this community-based initiative to put people in cooperative societies. And in these societies, we teach them how to preserve the environment by planting trees, and also to make sure that the cooperative societies can join hand, the society can join hand and market the produce from the area so that they can earn better money from their produce, and also process some of the coffee so that there is value added on the coffee before they sell. So the other idea is to have their gardens. We plant trees in their gardens. So we are making nursery beds for the trees, which we want to distribute to the family, the homesteads. They can plant. They plant the cash crops, the food crops, as well as the trees. So that is the initiative that is done with for Isaac Newton High School.